In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel membership on Whop. If you've been trying out a product or community on Whop and decided it's no longer for you, it's really important to properly cancel your membership so you don't get billed again. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen as we go. First, open your browser and head over to the Whop website. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. Once you're logged in, you'll land on or be able to navigate to your home dashboard. This dashboard is essentially your main control center on Whop. It's where you can see everything you've joined, your active memberships, and any products or communities associated with your account. On the home dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a column with several sections, and one of those will be labeled Joined or something very similar. This section lists all the Whops or memberships that you're currently part of under this account. Take a moment to scroll through this list and identify the specific membership you want to cancel. If you're not sure which one is which, you can usually click into them to see more details like what you get access to or when it renews. Once you've found the membership you want to cancel, click on it. This will open that specific Whop's main page for your account, where you can see information about your access, billing, and any connected tools or communities. On this page, look for an option that says Leave. This is the control you'll use to end your membership. Go ahead and click Leave. When you do this, Whop may show you a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to cancel. Read any message that appears carefully, because it may explain whether your access ends immediately or continues until the end of your current billing period. Confirm that you want to proceed. After confirming, you should no longer see that membership listed as active in your joined section. It's a good idea to refresh the page and quickly check your joined list again, just to be sure it's been removed. If the membership is gone from that list, you've successfully